Hi, good morning. This is Shakti, and we are going to do a short, powerful meditation for morning. When we get up, sometimes we might feel really sad, cranky, or stressed. The mind is really wandering. We are doubting ourselves. Might be undecisive, or simply we just don't want to get up. So I invite you to sit comfortably. We're going to do meditation to gain clarity and release overthinking and stress so we can begin the day at ease. Let's rub our palms together, sit taller, close your eyes gently. And let's pause, thumb against the heart center, and let's inhale and exhale. Really deepen the breath. Now gently start shaking your hands and open your arms back and bring the palms to touch. Inhale, wide open back. Exhale, palms to touch. And we're gonna do it a little bit more vigorously. Pull your navel in and let's continue. And now really fast. Arms in front, palms attached. Inhale. Root lag, squeeze your anus, sexual organs and hold. And exhale, release. Hands on the knees, begin grinding your waist. It's called Sufi grind. And let's continue. And reverse the direction. Inhale, center. Suspend, squeeze your root lag. And exhale, release. Please come into tabletop, knees aligned with hips, wrists aligned with your shoulders, fingers are spread. And we're gonna do cat-cow. You can go on the top of the toes or have your feet flat. Inhale, drop the belly down, exhale, arch. And continue. Please listen to your body. Pull the navel and let's keep flowing. Inhale, drop the belly down, arch the neck, push the ground away with your hands, hold. Exhale, buttocks to heels, stretch the arms in front, forehead on the ground, child pose, long deep breaths. And please inhale, slide the hands by the knees, push yourself gently, head last. And Come sit with your legs spread wide apart. Interlace with. Grab the big toes. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale center. Exhale to the right. Inhale center. Exhale to the left. Lead with your heart center. Pull the navel in. And continue at your own pace. Close the eyes. Reach wherever it's available for you. Every time the body is different. Inhale, center. Exhale, release. Slide your hands over your legs. Come sit in easy pose. And now just a few more movements. So we're going to be alternating hands, palms facing front. So you're bringing left to the center and alternate. Sit even taller and allow your hands to flow with your arms. Relax the shoulders. And the breath will adjust as it needs to. And let's continue for a few minutes. We are working with Prana. Where Prana flows, that's where vitality goes and helps you out with clarity. Relax the jaw. Inhale, extend the arms up and wide, push them away. Hold the breath, lift your root leg. Exhale, lower the hands, fingers to the ground, and just be still. And now we're going to bring the elbows by your side, palms facing forward, and we're going to be inhaling, and the movement is rapid. You bring the palms in front of your face, almost to touch, and you open up. Inhale, bring your palms in front of your face and open up. So this is a movement. We're not going to be here long. So see how fast you can go, and let's keep flowing. Breath will be almost as a breath of fire. Inhale, both hands in front of the face. Suspend the breath, strong root leg. So squeeze your anus, sexual organs, navel in, sit even taller. Exhale, lower the hands and just recognize, sense what's happening right now. And one more movement before we go into powerful pranayama to receive clarity. The palms are down at your chest level, and we're gonna be really rapidly pushing them down like this, and breath of fire. So this is really short, so let's go for it. faster. And relax. Now place one hand in your heart, the other on your belly, firmly. And begin breathe in and out. Notice with each breath, belly and the ribs expanding. And exhale, collapsing. Relax the shoulder, chin a little bit down. And now we're going to inhale really deeply through the nose. And exhale the breath just 1/3. Pause. Exhale 1/3 again. Pause. And fully exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale 1/3 of your breath. Pause. Exhale again a little bit. Pause. And fully exhale. Now continue this pattern at your own rhythm. So you exhale a little bit 2 times, and on each exhale you pause, and then you fully exhale. So I guide you one more time. Inhale. Exhale a little bit. Pause the breath. Exhale a little bit. Pause. And fully exhale. And now continue at your own rhythm. You can hold the breath long or shorter, whatever it's available for you. This is the moment where you can ask the question of something you are not sure and need clarity. Continue the pattern, allow the question or intention to show up, and I'll remind the time. Please take a deep inhale and exhale. When the mind is clear, when we live with our passion and intention, and we tap into pure potentiality. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned as I will be sharing soon weekly powerful kriyas to balance all our chakras, and wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.